Hello, good morning students. Today is 26 November 2020. Okay, today we will continue our chapter that is minerals and energy resources. Energy resources. In our previous videos, we already discussed about the types of the types of the minerals, and today's our topic is rock mineral. What is beta? That is rock minerals. Okay. Limestone is a rock mineral found in sedimentary rocks. Beta, rocks. You all know about the rocks, na? Beta, limestone is a rock mineral which is found in the sedimentary rocks. It is composed of calcium carbonates. It is composed of calcium carbonates. Calcium carbonate or calcium and magnesium carbonate. ओके बेटा, जो लाइमस्टोन है, ठीक है, विच इज रॉक मिनरल. लाइमस्टोन जो बेटा आपका रॉक मिनरल है, वो किसके कॉम्बिनेशन से बनता है? कंपोज होने से कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट और कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट. ओके. लाइमस्टोन इज यूज्ड फॉर स्मेल्टिंग आयरन और इन ब्लास्ट फर्नासेस ऑफ स्टील प्लांट्स एंड is the basis raw material for manufacturing of cement. It means the main use of the rock mineral, or you can say the limestone. As you know that the limestone is the example of the rock mineral, and the main use of the limestone in the मेकिंग ऑफ सीमेंट. ये बेटा जो आपका लाइमस्टोन है, इसका मेन यूज कहाँ है? मेकिंग ऑफ द सीमेंट. ओके. एंड राजस्थान हैज द लार्जेस्ट शेयर इन लाइमस्टोन प्रोडक्शन इन इंडिया, विच इज 21% in 2016 to 17. It means in the 2016 to 7, according to 2016 and 17 survey, the Rajasthan was the largest producer state in India. Got it, beta? And in the Rajasthan, how much? 21% limestone we can get from the Rajasthan. Okay, beta? Clear to everyone? Here, we already discussed, till now, we already discussed minerals, that what we understand by the minerals. Second topic, that is types of the minerals. Types of the minerals. Like that, ferrous minerals, and next one is non-ferrous. ठीक है. In the ferrous minerals, it means in the ferrous minerals you can find out the iron content. In the ferrous minerals, iron content is present. Okay. And in non-ferrous minerals, it means iron content is not present in the non-ferrous minerals. Got it, beta? And second thing is metallic minerals or the non-metallic minerals. In the metallic minerals, metals is present, metal content is present in the metallic minerals, or non-metallic minerals, it means metal content is not present in the non-metallic minerals. Okay. and we already discussed some examples of the minerals. Okay, now we will discuss about the conservation of the mineral. Our next topic is conservation of the minerals. As we know that we are using our minerals in a big amount. Okay, and some minerals are renewable and some are not renewable. Okay, which minerals are renewable we can get easily, but which minerals are not renewable, these minerals we can't get easily. That's why the conservation of the minerals are very important. Okay, the minerals resources are finite and non-renewable, so there is need to conserve our mineral resources and use it jurisdictionally in the following ways. Okay, it means in these ways you can conserve your minerals. First one is mineral resources should be used in planned and sustainable manner. Planned and sustainable it means if we are using the minerals, then firstly we have to plan. Okay, it means we don't have to misuse the minerals. Got it beta? And next one is that we have to use the sustainable manner. Sustainable manners means beta क्या होता है? As you already know about the sustainable manner or method, that we have to use our resources, but in that manner we can fulfill our present need and the resources not harmed by us. Okay, clear beta? And next one is technologies should be developed to use lower grade ores at lower cost. अब बेटा क्या है? As many countries are developing country and these countries are not having the developed techniques to यूज द रिसोर्सेज, है ना, तो उनके पास जो बेटा रिसोर्सेज होता है उनको भी वो क्या हो जाता है, मतलब वो हाई रेट्स में भी पड़ता है और उसका इतना बेनिफिट भी नहीं रहता, तो उसको एक हाई क्वालिटी की टेक्निक्स का यूज़ करते हैं, उनको प्रॉपरली हमें एग्जॉर्ट करना है, ठीक है, और उनको यूज़ करना है. गॉट इट बेटा? एंड हियर यू हैव टू राइट टेक्नोलॉजीज should be developed to use lower grade ores at lower cost. Okay, and third one is that metal should be recycled and indirectly you can write here recycle system should be there. Okay, metals should be recycled and alternative metals like scrap metal should be used so that minerals can be conserved. Okay, तो ये क्या है? These are the process. With the help of these process you can conserve your minerals. It means you not misuse the minerals. If requirement is there, only that time you can use the minerals, otherwise don't misuse the minerals. Okay, got it beta? And next one is here I want to tell you that hazards of mining. Hazards बेटा क्या है माइनिंग की? जैसे कि हाँ, आपके जो माइनिंग्स होती हैं उसके बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, ठीक है. तो माइनिंग इज ए हजार्डियस इंडस्ट्री. इट इज़ नोन एज द किलर इंडस्ट्री ड्यू टू द फॉलोइंग रीजन. एज वी नो दैट if a person is working in a mining place, तो उसको बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ती है, लाइक ठीक है बेटा. तो ये इससे क्या होता है, आपको ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम होती है बहुत, क्योंकि वहाँ से पोल्यूशन वगैरह की प्रॉब्लम्स जो होती है उससे आपके लंग्स डैमेज हो जाती है, ठीक है. द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम that is risk of life. Risk of life. You can say a risk to life due to collapse of roofs, overflow of water, fire is always there inside the mines. Okay, and second thing is that is dumping of waste and slurry leads to land degradation, soil erosion and increase the stream and river pollution. Okay beta, second one is dumping of waste and slurry leads to land degradation, soil erosion and increase the stream and river pollution, and indirectly it is harmful for the human health. क्योंकि बेटा ये डंप करते हैं वेस्ट मटेरियल को कहाँ पे, जो आप अगर वो डिग्रेड भी करते हैं ना तो भी हमारा जो सॉइल है वो सॉइल इरोजन के साथ सॉइल डिग्रेड भी होता है. तो बेटा इससे क्या होता है, आपकी सॉइल इरोजन होती है, सॉइल डिग्रेडेशन होता है, ठीक है, जिससे सॉइल बिल्कुल वेस्ट हो जाती है, वहां पे आप क्रॉप ग्रो नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, अगर उसको वेस्ट को आप थ्रो करते हो स्ट्रीम में या रिवर में तो उससे पोल्यूशन होता है, तो इनडायरेक्टली वो आपको ही क्या करता है, पोल्यूट करता है. ठीक है. थर्ड वन इज दैट माइनिंग कॉजेज रेस्पिरेटरी डिसीजेस, जो आपको ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, एंड द pulmonary disorder to minors. ठीक है बेटा, तो ये क्या है, हैजार्ड्स ऑफ द माइनिंग है. नाउ बेटा tomorrow we will discuss about the energy resources. Okay, till now watch this video very carefully, and if any type of doubt, any type of query in this topic, then you can ask to me, you can comment to me. Okay beta, and tomorrow we will discuss about the energy resources, that what we understand by the energy resources. Got it beta? Till now complete your notebook, and if any type of query then you can personally comment to me.